Hey YouTube, this is my Telltale 90cc pit bike. Got a nice racing shock on it. I don't know what it's called, but I know it's pretty nice. I don't know why, but some people keep telling me I have racing forks, but I think they're just regular forks. Front and back disc brakes. Got it for 110 bucks and an RC car for it. It needed a new ignition magneto and there's my Bros RM125. And what happened on it was that the guy crashed it. He wrecked it, and as you see right here, this was broken off. Got a new one in the mail. And at first it was all black. Then my dad helped me paint it white, and I put the monster graphics on it. It's pretty nice. Runs good. Might give you I'm gonna give you guys a startup. Find a place to put it.